how to wind bobbin. So always get metal bobbins for your home sewing machine. It's cool with the magnets, super easy. These are 2 bobbins. This one was wound with the machine. Don't ever have bubbles in your bobbins. The other one was wound with my hand guide, right? So first you want to grab your bobbin, grab some thread, do as I'm doing, pinch the bobbin and pinch the thread, hold it, wrap it around 5 to 10 times until it's taut and it's not sliding off. You want it to roll in this direction before you put it on the machine. Now we're going to put it onto the bobbin winder part of the machine. That's how it works. You have to snap it in for it to start spinning. If you don't snap it in and you step on your presser foot, it will not turn. So after it is snapped in, you want to start stepping on that presser foot and start going. I'm guiding it with my hands because I want it to be even, smooth, tight, no bubbles. That will happen. It's okay, don't freak out. That just means that your bobbin is full and it's time to unsnap it and get sewing. Done. We have a beautifully wound hand guided bobbin. Now I'm going to show you how I set up the bobbin winder. You guide the thread through the first 2 thread guides, the L-shaped hook and the circular throat plate that holds it tight. And then you do the pinch and wrap method again. Pinch the bobbin, grab the thread, wrap it around a few times. And then you place it onto the machine, snap it in, and you start stepping on that thing that you step on to start the machine. Again, I don't recommend trusting the machine to give you a beautifully wound bobbin. Just guide the thread with your hand. It's way better. Thanks for watching and happy sewing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my videos.